Hey YouTubers, it's Tony with Mayberry Mini Trucks. Today we have a special visitor in a very special car, a much nicer car than any mini truck I have. So this is Hannah and Justin, my daughter and my son-in-law. Hey guys.
Hey.
Man, look at this car. So Justin, what is it we have here?
1967 SS Chevelle, 396, 375 horsepower from factory.
Wow. And that is a standard transmission, of course.
Yep.
And the dash is all stock. Is that all stock?
Yeah, this is it had air conditioning, but this is the newer kind because in 67 the air conditioning didn't work well.
Oh,
that's the only thing that's been upgraded on the car.
Wow, look
well,
at that.
And aluminum radiator.
Wow.
But everything else is factory.
What a beautiful, beautiful car.
Can we start it?
I'd love to hear it, yes. Wow. Man, oh man. This is a beautiful, beautiful car. Man, oh man, what a piece of American engineering exceptionalism right here, guys. And that right there, 396 turbojet. Nobody on the face of the earth ever made cars like this. Yep.
And guess how I keep the miles off this car and keep it nice? I drive mini trucks during the week.
That's how you keep the miles off of it?
Yep.
Man, Justin, this is beautiful. You guys enjoy your drive, and what a beautiful Sunday to take a drive like this. I'm just gonna get you as you take off, and thanks for coming back. See you guys. Wow. Oh, let's see. You think that thing has diff lock? Look at the little imprint it made when he took off. You have one tire there and one tire there. All right, guys, thank you for watching our video, and please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.